everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been such a long time I haven't recorded a video. I'm so happy to be back here. I will upload as much as I can. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Neetu. I make videos on beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, I have a lot of product empties. I have a lot of products, so I might be rushing through the video, but I will give you my honest and mini reviews about all these products because all these products I have completely used up. So let's get right into the video. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow. I will leave the handle over there. I create a lot of makeup looks like this one. I have created an eye makeup look for my Instagram, so please go and follow me there. And I also give a lot of reviews of skincare and makeup over there. I will be sharing the reviews in no particular order. Whatever products come into my hand, I'll be showing that. So the first products are two vitamin C serums. The first one is from the brand called Pilgrim. This is their vitamin C night serum. And the next one is by Plum. This is their 15% mandarin and vitamin C serum. So I have used up both of this, and I would highly recommend the Plum one because from the first week of using this, I saw the results. It was definitely helping in lightening my acne scars. The product gives such a glow when you wake up in the morning. When you apply, it is not like very oily or glowy. So even if you have combination to oily skin, you will love this. I am definitely going to repurchase this, and this is comparatively affordable as well. Normally vitamin C serums are quite expensive, so this comes in a mid range, and they also have a 20 ml bottle. This is the bigger one, so if you want to just try, you can try the small bottle and then buy the bigger one, but I am definitely going to repurchase the big bottle. And the next one is the Pilgrim one. So I have shown this, I think, in a products I regret buying or something, because this broke me out. Every time I use this, it broke me out. Only one thing I will say is that during winters I used to mix this with my moisturizer because my skin was very dry. So it used to work like that, but it's very oily. So if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin and it has got a very strong fragrance, so this did not suit my skin at all, so I wouldn't be repurchasing this. I like other products from Pilgrim. I love their aloe vera gel, it's very good, but this one I did not like and I wouldn't recommend. The next product is a hair mask. This is by Nykaa Naturals. This is their onion and fenugreek hair mask. So I used to love the Mamaearth onion hair mask. I still love that. I thought in order to try a new one, I'll try this. As you can see, I've completely used it up. It's completely empty, and I really liked it. It's good. It's almost the same price as the Mamaearth one, but I would still prefer the Mamaearth one because it really, that shine lasts on your hair for a very long time. This is good if you are like a beginner to hair mask. You can definitely try this. Definitely help the breakage of your hair. Doesn't help in hair fall. None of the hair masks have actually helped in hair fall, but this one is good, but I wouldn't be repurchasing this. I would repurchase the Mamaearth one. The next product is a deodorant. This is the Nivea Naturally Good deodorant. This is in the green tea variant. This is I think fairly new launch on Nykaa. This retails for around 250 rupees. This is a little bit expensive than the normal Nivea deodorants. I did not like this at all. Firstly, the fragrance is very mild. It doesn't last for a very long time. It doesn't even last for like 1 hour. And secondly, if you have sensitive skin, especially after you shave your underarms and then you apply this, it will burn. So I don't know why, because I love Nivea deodorants. I have used them before, but I would prefer the normal ones than this naturally good variant, so I wouldn't repurchase this. The next product is by Colorbar. This is their Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. This is a skincare and makeup hybrid. I used to wear this without makeup and underneath makeup. I love this. It is worth the money. I think it is for around 1200 rupees, but it used to make my skin look very naturally glowy, and under makeup also, if you are wearing a matte foundation, this used to really help to bring back that glow. So I would highly recommend, even if you are somebody who doesn't wear makeup, just on top of sunscreen you can wear this and you'll be good to go. It's very easy to use. It comes with a pump and it's also very lightweight, so even if you have oily skin, it wouldn't make your face very oily and greasy. The next product is a nail paint remover. This is by Blue Heaven. This is the dip and twist kind of a remover. This was so good and it is so inexpensive. I'm sure this is under 100 rupees. I will leave the price down here. It was so quick to remove nail paints with this. I won't be repurchasing these because I already have a Colorbar nail paint remover, and also I don't apply nail paints a lot, so it doesn't make sense to repurchase this, but it's a very good nail paint remover. I would highly recommend this, and it also doesn't affect your nails. There are some removers that make your nails look yellow and dry. This is very good and it also smells very good. The next product is a shampoo. This is by Saint Botanica. This is their Collagen and Biotin volumizing shampoo. This is my 4th bottle. I have repurchased this so many times. It's really good. If you have fine hair, you can definitely try this. It does give you a volume, but recently I have stopped using this only because I have 2-3 shampoos in my washroom. So once I'm done with that, I will definitely go back to this. Only one thing I will say is that it makes your hair a little bit dry if you have chemically treated hair. So you have to use a conditioner with this or a hair mask. But all in all, it's a very good shampoo, and this bottle will last you for at least 7 to 8 months because you need tiny bit, and it lathers very well. It cleans your scalp very well. So I would highly recommend. I have recommended this to a lot of my friends and family as well. The next product I have is a conditioner. This is the Herbalist Strawberry and Mint Conditioner. I did not like this at all. Firstly, I did not like the fragrance. I am someone who doesn't like very fruity and floral fragrances. I like very musky and woody, earthy fragrances. So I did not like the fragrance at all. When it comes to the formula of the product, it does not hydrate my hair at all. I have extremely dry hair, so I need something which is really hydrating, and this does not do that. I finished it up because I didn't want to waste the product, but if you have extremely dry hair, I wouldn't recommend this, but if you have like normal hair, you can try. And this is also not cheap, it's quite expensive. Leave the price on the screen, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend this. Now the next product is a very hyped product. This is by Juicy Chemistry. This is their Blood Orange and Rosehip lip balm. As you can see, I have completely used it up. So I bought this because I saw a lot of people rave about this, and my favorite lip balm is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I have repurchased it many times, and so when it got over, I thought I'll try this one, and I did not like this at all because it does not help. I have extremely chapped lips, so I need something which is really hydrating. And with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, when you wake up next day, you will actually see that your lips look very smooth and hydrated. But with this one, even though when you apply, it is very emollient and it goes on the lip very well, but it just gets dried up so fast. It doesn't last till morning, so I was very surprised because I know a lot of people like this. Maybe it's just my skin type, because my lips are very dry, that's why. So if you have used this, let me know in the comments if you like this or no. I wouldn't personally recommend this. Much better lip balms, which are less expensive. This I think is around 350 or 400. Next product is a beauty blender. It looks disgusting, I know. This is by Pack. I have repurchased this so many times. I love this. It retails around 600 rupees. I use this for like 4-5 months. It depends how much I use. Now it has reached a point where I can't clean this anymore. Even if I clean, a lot of residues left on this. So it's better to throw this and I'll get a new one. But it's extremely good even if you're a beginner to makeup, to blend your foundation, cream products, it's very good. I would highly recommend if you're looking for a good beauty blender, definitely try, you won't get disappointed. The next two products are hair removal creams. This is by Wheat. Both are one is for sensitive skin and one is for dry skin. I love both of them. I would prefer the sensitive skin one because it's more calming on the skin. So I was someone who never used hair removal creams, but during the lockdown when we couldn't go to the salons, that's when I started using this. I got like a bunch from Amazon and it really works because I cannot shave my legs because I get really irritated skin and burning sensation. So for my legs, I really love these. I have bought so many of this since I think it's 1.5 years I have been using this. Love this. I would say that hair will grow back fast than the waxing one, because waxing you are removing the hair from your roots, so that will last for a long time. This one you might have to use, like, it depends on your hair growth as well. I have like lot of hair, so I need to use it like every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depends, but it's nice. It doesn't cause irritation on my legs, and it's quite affordable also. When you go and wax nowadays, it costs like around 1000 rupees, so I think this is a good alternative. The next product is no surprise, it's always there in my empties. This is the Himalaya face wash. I love this. I repurchase this over and over again, and I will repurchase this. This really helps in calming down my acne, and it's very good and it's very affordable, so I have always one of these in my bath. The next one is the shower gel. This is by Fiyama Devils, and this is in their lemongrass and jojoba smooth skin with conditioner. I love this shower gel. The fragrance lasts for at least 1 to 2 hours, which is good because this is so inexpensive. This is for 400 rupees, you are getting 500 ml of product. This will last you for months, and it doesn't dry out your skin, and your skin smells fresh after a long tiring day. So I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a new shower gel, and you can find this on Nykaa and as well as your nearby stores. Everywhere it's available, so definitely check this out. Now the last product for this video is a body lotion. This is by Parachute. This is their coconut milk variant for dry skin. I love this body lotion. I have repurchased this so many times. It is very inexpensive. It's for 310 rupees, and this will last you for a very long time. It's that perfect formula, it smells amazing first of all, and the formula is lightweight. At the same time, it will hydrate your body for a very long time, and when I wake up in the morning, my arms and legs are still soft, and I love the fragrance of this. It has that coconut milk fragrance, and it's very affordable, and yeah, and it comes with a pump. If you go to a supermarket, definitely pick this up if you're looking for a good body lotion. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found the reviews helpful. I know I was speaking a bit faster because I didn't want to make this a very long video. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on my Instagram. I will see you soon on my next video.